Bulldogs.
Welcome to the Bulldog Podcast.
We're so glad you're here. I am Chloe.
And I am Rachel.
Let's get started. Coming up, we're talking with Miss Meyer about something really cool.
Fossils. Let's see how the class is learning about finding them.
You won't want to miss it. Let's check it out.
Welcome to our teacher feature. Today with Miss Meyer to find out what her class is digging into literally. Miss Meyer, what exactly are your students searching for in class?
Our students were conducting a fossil dig, so we were learning about Mary Anning and her remarkable treasures. And to just make it a little more interesting and meaningful, we did a excavation using chocolate chip cookies, and the fossils were actually the morsels that we were digging out of our rock site.
Wow, that sounds like real life treasure hunting, but tastier. Why do you think fossils are so exciting to learn about?
I think fossils are exciting to learn about because it opens up the door to just that curious, natural, want to know more about science and how our world works.
That's so cool. It's like traveling back in time. What did your students learn about being paleontologists through this activity?
Well, I think that what they learned was that being a paleontologist takes a lot of patience. There's special tools you have to use, so you have to know how to use them to correctly dig out the fossils to preserve what they're finding.
Thanks, Miss Meyer. It sounds like your students are having a blast digging into history and into cookies. Stick around for today's Did You Know, where we uncover some facts you won't want to miss.
Hi, I'm Blaine. And I'm Serenity. Welcome to Did You Know? Did you know the word fossil actually means dug up? It comes from the Latin word fossils, which means something that's been under earth from the ground. That makes sense since scientists digged up fossils to learn about creatures and plants that lived millions of years ago. So the next time you hear the word fossil, just think. It's science that was waiting underground to be discovered by you. Did you know paleontologists don't study bones? They also study footprints and plants. Footprints are called trace fossils that show how dinosaurs moved. They use tiny brushes to carefully dig up fossils, no big shovels. Sometimes fossils are found in tar pits or frozen ice. It's just like a fossil treasure hunt. That is it for Did You Know? Now it's time to celebrate each other with Bulldog Howl.
Welcome back to the Bulldog Howl.
That's right. It's time for some students shout out to celebrate all the awesome things happening around our school.
First up, shout out to Robert in Miss Logan's class, letting his classmate use his science experiment when hers wasn't working.
And a big cheer for Noah being respectful to his classmate, turning our start testing.
We also want to recognize Raylan, who's always trying to do the right thing.
Keep up the great work, Bulldogs. We love seeing your achievements and positive action.
That's it for student shoutouts. This week, keep making us proud.
Remember, if you and a friend do something amazing, let us know so we can give you a shout out on the Bulldog Howl.
Fossils aren't the only thing to dig up. our weekly challenge is ready to be uncovered too.
Hey Bulldogs, are you ready for a weekly challenge? This week we're challenging you to give a compliment to someone you don't usually talk to. It could be about their smile or even how kind they are. Remember, compliments are not just words. They can make someone's whole day better. Try to give at least one compliment each day this week. And if you get a compliment, pass it on to someone else by complimenting someone that day. You never know how much a kind word can change someone's mood or make them feel included. Let's see how many smiles we can create this week. Bulldogs spread positivity and make our school bright. Compliments aren't the only exciting thing happening this week. Here are some upcoming events you won't want to miss. Let's check out what's coming up.
Mark your calendars, there's a lot of exciting stuff on the way.
But our high school's first home football game is on September 12th.
Come and cheer on the team and show your Bulldog pride.
We also have a cookie dough fundraiser coming up.
Hope everybody can join in.
It's a great way to support our school, and who doesn't love cookies?
Don't forget, Family Night is on September 30th.
We've mentioned it before, but it's such a fun event that we've got to keep it on your radar.
This time, we want to highlight some of the awesome activities you'll find.
We'll have reading and math games.
There will also be a photo booth, $1 per photo, and concessions will be available.
We'll also have a cardboard box race that night.
We'll have a prize for the fastest, best looking, and so much more.
So get your boxes ready.
And get creative. It's going to be a blast.
That's all for our upcoming events.
We hope to see you there.
That brings us to the end of our show. We had an amazing time talking with Miss Meyer and discovering some cool facts about fossils.
Today's challenge was to give someone a compliment. Kindness can make a big difference.
Plus, there are some awesome events coming up that you won't want to miss.
Thanks for spending the time with us.
We'll see you next time.